Are you struggling to post the same content on different social media platforms? Wasting hours copy-pasting the same post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter one by one? And worst part? You're missing your perfect posting time because it's just too much work. Well, I've been there too. As a freelancer, I've spent so much time doing the same thing again and again. But recently, I found a tool that literally changed the game for me. And today, I'm going to show you how it can save you time and effort too. Let's be real. If you're a content creator, a freelancer, or even managing a small business page, posting on multiple platforms is a daily hustle. It's tiring, repetitive, and most of the time we end up either posting late or skipping one of the platforms. I struggled with the same issue. Managing multiple platforms manually was a nightmare, until I discovered Buffer.com. Buffer is a free social media management website that lets you post the same content to multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all in one click. No more jumping between tabs, no more logging in and out. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Step 1. Go to Buffer.com. First, open your browser and type in Buffer.com. That's Buffer.com. Step 2. Sign up. Click on Get Started Now. You can sign up with your email or even use your Google account. It's super quick. Step 3. Connect your social accounts. Once you're in, Buffer will ask you to connect your social media accounts. You can connect your Facebook page, Instagram business profile, Twitter, LinkedIn, even Pinterest, and all from one place. Step 4. Create a post. Now here comes the fun part. Click on Create Post. You'll see a space to write your caption, upload an image or video, and even add hashtags. You can select which platforms you want the post to go to, and Buffer will send it to all of them at once. Step 5. Schedule your post. Want your post to go live tomorrow at 10 a.m.? No problem. Just pick the date and time, and Buffer will take care of the rest, even if you're asleep. So if you're tired of wasting time posting on multiple platforms one by one, try Buffer.com today. It's simple, free to start, and perfect for freelancers, marketers, and business owners. I hope this video helps you save time and post smarter. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want more tools like this.